If I had my machete now, I could be swinging it like a good one. Do you?
It's raining, it's pouring. We could have been eating pancakes. Be careful what you say, I'm filming.
Yes, I guess. Right.
Spray deck.
Shopping.
Spray deck. Spray deck.
Done.
Do you want to tell everybody where we are?
We are in the rain on the Abbey River, foolishly paddling it in the wrong direction because Lady Boy wants to, and we're cutting trees.
Why are we cutting trees?
Because they're in our way and they spoil our paddle when we have an enjoyable paddle going in the right direction.
Yeah, but it spoils it in either direction.
It does.
Because look at it. It's going right across the bloody river and we can only get through because we can get under that arch. I mean, that could easily snap on us as we go under it.
Should we carry on paddling uphill then? Lady Boy?
Yeah, why not?
Come on, Flipper.